Once upon a time, in the heart of the lush African savanna, there lived a family of hippos. Among them were 3 adorable baby hippos named Lily, Milo, and Hugo. These little hippos were full of energy and curiosity, always getting into mischief. One sunny morning, while their mother was taking a refreshing dip in the river, Lily, Milo, and Hugo decided to explore the vast grasslands on their own. They waddled away from their mother, giggling with excitement as they ventured deeper into the wilderness. Their first stop was a nearby watering hole, where they found a group of mischievous monkeys playing by the water's edge. Without hesitation, Lily, the boldest of the trio, challenged the monkeys to a game of tag. Soon, they were all darting and dodging around the water, splashing and laughing uproariously. After their game with the monkeys, the baby hippos came across a herd of zebras grazing peacefully in a clearing. Hugo, the mischievous one, couldn't resist the temptation to play a prank. He snuck up behind a sleeping zebra and tickled its ear with his whiskers. The startled zebra leaped into the air, its stripes blending into a whirl of confusion as Hugo rolled on the ground with laughter. As the day wore on, the adventurous trio stumbled upon a family of elephants taking a mud bath. Lily, Milo, and Hugo wasted no time joining in the fun, spraying each other with muddy water and trumpeting joyfully alongside their newfound friends. But their day of mischief was not without consequences. As the sun began to set, the baby hippos realized they were lost. Panic set in as they searched frantically for familiar landmarks, their playful antics forgotten in the face of uncertainty. Just when they were about to give up hope, they heard the reassuring sound of their mother's voice calling out to them. With tears of relief in their eyes, Lily, Milo, and Hugo followed the sound until they were reunited with their worried mother. From that day on, the baby hippos learned that while adventures were thrilling, nothing could replace the safety and comfort of home. Together, they returned to their family, their hearts full of memories and their minds buzzing with tales of their wild escapades. And though they still longed for adventure, they knew that no matter where their curiosity led them, they would always find their way back home.